Hello and welcome back to swimgood.com. So that pretty much wraps up the entire course or curriculum. I hope you guys will learn a lot about Java programming language. First of all, we started installing Java in your operating system. And we started learning about Java programming language starting from Hello World. You'll learn about string, conditional execution, arrays, looping, string interpolation, different types of Java methods such as static method, instance method, constructor method. We also learn about getters and setters, instance variables, static variables, Java packages, and different types of methods for string and integer class. Then we actually dive depth into intermediate Java. We also learn about encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, overriding, overloading, abstract class, interface, array list, linked list, vector, different types of Java access modifiers, private, default, protected, public, as well as different types of file IO types such as character string, byte string. We also learn about the JUnit testing framework. And finally, we're also able to learn about the build tool called Maven. We actually installed Maven for both Mac and Windows. Then finally, at the end, we were also able to actually create a Java project using Maven as a build tool. I hope this course material were very useful to you guys, and I look forward to see you guys in the near future. Thank you very much for enrolling in this course again.